morning. I share this, family. When I wake up, the first thing I want to do is put on some personal development, some type of motivation to get me going. Now, understand this, because I'm listening to the motivation, that doesn't mean my circumstances are going to change overnight. But I have a choice. Oh, excuse me. I have a decision. Either I can keep focus on the negative aspects or I can focus on the positive things of life. It's easier to focus on the negatives because they're right there. The positives, it takes more time. It takes more brain power to really believe that it's possible. It takes more opportunity to believe that it's possible. What I mean by opportunity, opportunity in yourself, opportunity that you know, not think that things can turn around. So I do that because it gets me going. And does it mean that I need that every morning? It depends. It depends on what I talked about on the earlier. You need to know your circumstances. What are you walking into every morning as far as the challenges you're facing? Why not get yourself ready for the challenges you may be going up against? So let's move on. Point number 7: learning opportunities versus setbacks. Being able to write down your failures and list out what it taught you as far as being resilient and the strategies and how you've grown from this is going to be one of those key aspects for your growth as a person. And I understand being in a very uncomfortable situation.